Hey guys, how are you? I am wondering what the hell is happening. I'm trying to get more like tech savvy, but I don't know whether I'm succeeding honestly. Okay. Hey Nitesh. Oops, too many people. Sunshine 2063, Summer Official, Rowdy Sallu. Wow. Uh, okay, that's too fast. I can't read that fast. H. Okay. Hi. Hello. 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 Hi, everybody. So, what can I say? Lots of love, lots of hearts. I can see lots of hearts coming up. So, big heart right back at all of you. I don't know where to start, honestly. First of all, let me say thank you for 11 million. Yay! We're at 11 million. All of you, thank you to all of you, from the people who have been there from the time I actually started Instagram with I think 10 followers or something like that, to we are now at 11 million. So thank you guys for being there on this amazing journey. I had a great time. I am having a great time. I wouldn't say I've had a great time. I am having an absolute blast. I'm enjoying my sense of humor. I hope you guys are enjoying my sense of humor. और अगर आपको समझ में नहीं भी आता है तो भी हंस लो मेरी तरफ से. I like it when people laugh and smile, and I think a smile just adds that little extra something on your face. So मेरी खातिर कर लो. Hi Khush. Hi Harshad. Hi Aarti Satam, Lahia Nunu. Wow. I really love your Instagram names, I must say. They're fab. So they're at least interesting. I have to say that. What can I say? I'm not great at this Instagram live, so please forgive my ums and please forgive my pauses in between. Please forgive all my little nonsense and rubbish in between. Everybody keeps asking me how I have spent this quarantine, and everybody keeps asking me, what do you do to keep yourself interested? So one of the first people that actually told me that, my mom used to tell me that when I was a kid, and it really stayed with me, that only if you only if you're an intelligent person can you keep yourself interested. So I believe that I'm an intelligent person, and I need to keep myself interested all the time. It's a pride, it's a vanity thing that I have to, keep myself going in that respect. But I have something to show you guys. So I'm wearing something that I actually knitted, and I have to show you this because I'm so proud of it. I am super proud of it. Here you go. I actually knitted this sweater, and I'm wearing it, and I'm so excited. So it's one of the things that I put up on my story as well. So I'll put up another full picture later. But I'm really happy. I'm really kicked that I'm actually wearing something that I knitted. It's cool. It's an achievement. And yes, this is one of the ways that I've spent my quarantine and kept myself halfway sane. I hope you guys are doing something that you love during this time. I think that's what makes the world go around and makes you a little more bearable to be with. Nah? We all have that issue. But coming back to my topics, so I have like 4 or 5 things that I need to talk about. Namaste, 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 or hello and hi and how are you, and oh my god, there are too many. Hi. Okay, so Indonesia, I love you too. Hi. So all of y'all who write comments, please know that मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. जितने भी comments आते हैं मैं जरूर पढ़ती हूँ, और हाँ, जवाब सिर्फ कुछ लोगों को मिलता है, but I do read all the comments. So please keep commenting. Not bad stuff. I don't want to hear the bad stuff. But my Diwali was not so great this year. I'm sure yours was, I hope, better than mine. It was a little, salty and sweet. Nice, but not nice as well. But It's okay. This too shall pass, and we're going to get into the next year. Hopefully, I'm waiting for 2021 to come. Please, 2021, please come. I'm just like really, really waiting for it. Wait, just okay. I really can't. I can't even read. I can't read that fast. There are so many people who are messaging. Hi, hi. Okay, my hand is tired. The COVID situation over here is actually quite okay. It's not so bad. And actually everybody's being really, really careful. The government is being really good here, so it's really good. I hope you guys in Bombay are being careful as well. जो भी हो, मुझे पता है कि घुटन होती है and you feel claustrophobic and you don't want to do this and you don't want to do that, but please be safe. Or your safety is more important than just that little bit of not being comfortable. So please wear a mask. मास्क पहनिए बाहर जाते वक्त, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. वो आपके माँ बाप के लिए ज़रूरी है, आपके बच्चों के लिए ज़रूरी है, और आपके खुद के लिए ज़रूरी है. तो प्लीज़ मास्क पहनिए wherever you are. It doesn't matter, but please wear the mask. Okay, that's like a big one of the big ways that we can reduce this effect of COVID all over our country. So please do that. And what else did I think of that I wanted to say? Okay, I think I'm almost done. मुझे इतनी बात करने की आदत नहीं है. Actually, ये गलत है. I'm lying. I am too used to talking. But I like talking. I like talking when people are asking me things. So does anybody have anything to ask me? You better ask me now, here and now, so that I can, reply to you. I mean, I can reply to you fast. Hi. Oh God, I really can't. Shukla Rajan, 07, right? Okay. Indonesia Anushka, party 8917. Oh my God. Okay. Hello. Charu Tandon. Yes, I read you. Mini Anthal? Okay. I really can't read it so fast, so I'm really sorry, guys, if I'm being Rashmi Rohini. Metha Cads. I find it very odd to mention my own name, by the way, on screen. It's very odd to be speaking your own name. It's a little weird, no? My next film is coming out hopefully in January, Tribhanga, which I think I've already spoken about. I've put up a little bit of stuff about. It's being directed by Renuka Shane. And it's a really interesting story about three women, actually. So I had a great time doing the film. I had an absolute blast. Renuka is a fab director, so I'm really looking forward to you guys watching the film. And please get back to me and let me know, what you think of it, etc. I'm sure you will, without me even telling you that. I'm sure कुछ ना कुछ तो आप जरूर बोलोगे उसके बारे में. But please watch it. And I'm telling you, I had a great time making the film. I had an absolute blast. And we all, actually, the whole cast of the film, including Tanvi and me and Mithila and Vaibhav and Kunal, we all had a great time together on sets as well. So I will be posting stuff closer to the date of small stuff on set and stuff like that, hopefully as soon as I get all the stuff from Netflix to post. But yes, I will be putting up that stuff as well, so look forward to that. Okay, I'm tired of talking. How long have I spoken for? I have to time myself now. That's it. I haven't signed anything as of now, no films as of now, but yes, I am listening to a lot of stuff. I am tentatively, kind of looking at some stuff as well. So hopefully I'll be able to have something to tell you by maybe February. Look forward to it. And guys, thank you so much again for My 11 million. I can't believe we've reached 11 million, honestly. It's really been one hell of a long journey. This 2020 has not been kind to all of us. Great teacher, but not been kind. But I think the best teachers are not always very, very kind, right? So, but the one thing that I am looking forward to is Christmas. And I'm sure you guys are too. आपको भी मतलब क्रिसमस की तैयारियां हो रही होगी बॉम्बे में और सबके घरों में, तो आई थिंक आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट एज वेल. I love Christmas. I just love it. I love the whole feel of Christmas. I love the fact that, it's one of those, it just makes me feel good. Okay, we're giving gifts to everybody and it's happy and it's like, it just makes me feel good. So it's a feel good holiday. So what are you guys planning to do for Christmas? Have you put up a Christmas tree already? Because we're 1 month away. I haven't put up a Christmas tree, but I want to. I hope I'll be able to this year. We'll see about that. But yeah, let me know what's happening. Comment underneath and tell me what your Christmas plans are. And thank you again. Thank you so much for everything, all of you guys, really. For appreciating my sense of humor, for laughing at my bad jokes, for being with me for so many, for all these, God knows, hundreds of 500, 600, I don't know how many posts. So, thank you guys. Thank you so much for everything. And 11 million, yay! Hip hip hooray! Adios, amigos. Okay. Shit.